Alright, so we are going to replace these two rollers that are on this shaft underneath the green belts. Start with the easy stuff. We're going to get this out of the way and this out of the way. Next, we're going to unscrew this. And with that, we can take it off, like so. Going to make sure not to lose anything here. Now we are going to unscrew this whole assembly here. This is all with 1/8 inch Allen so far. It's the same on the opposite side. It may be tight, it may not be as tight. It all depends on the machine. And make sure to support it so it doesn't fall. But it might be tight, so you may not need to support it. And then you just pull it out like so. Be careful of this side, it can fall out. I'm going to make sure it doesn't fall out. Just make sure not to lose it. Make sure not to lose the screws with those. All right, now we have it like so. We're going to now take off this tensioner for the belt. This will allow us to take out the pulley here that's part of this whole assembly. Oh, we want this one right there. It is part of a bearing clamp. The shaft will remain in place. That, set that aside. Now we're going to grab our 3/32 for all 6 of these screws. All 6 of these screws are the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. Alright, and with that, we will now gently lift this out of place. Do be careful of these belts here. We will need to realign them later. They easily fall off. You may need to support this or tilt it back to make sure it doesn't fall when you least expect it. So you have 3 belts to watch out for. If you can just let those sit there, everything will be fine. And with that, we can move the feeder. So if your feeder is attached to the machine, at this point you can take your alignment section and take it to another table. For me, I will just take this off the table. Now we have this. So the screws we're going for are right here. As you can see, we can't access them via the top, so we go underneath. And so here is what we're going for. We can see how that is assembled. Alright, so we are going to be using a 5/64. All we're doing here is removing the shaft holder. This will allow us to more easily remove the shaft. And these do come with a internal tooth lock washer and a split lock washer. Possibly. Your machine might have just regular washers underneath a lock washer. And all 4 of these are exactly the same. So as long as you put the screws in the same spot, you will be fine. And now we're going to go after the set screws that are holding it in on either side of the shaft. It is as well a 5/64. These are held in quite tight. So you will note that it has a flat spot there. We are going to align that back up when we get to it. Doing the same to the opposite side. And that comes off exactly the same as the other side. So now you can see that I can pull the shaft back and forth. It's quick. We should note that there are washers in there, so you should be careful when taking this out. Right there, as well as this side. Now, I'm going to take it out. And then just carefully remove it. Here it is. Sometimes with the lubricant they stick to the roller, other times they may stick to the side. Other times they may fall off. This one has one, this one has both of them. There we go. So that's all of them. If you are replacing them, make sure to have your shaft in the way you wish to have it. Oh, I guess they don't clutch.
Yeah, the clutches are on this side.
Are they?
I'm fairly sure.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, these are not clutch. These are just free spinning.
Yep.
That makes sense.